Hello everyone. This is about the project explanation of solar powered two-wheelers with computer vision and machine learning. So let me start with explaining you what is this project. So basically, you all might have known that there are two-wheelers where you put the motor at the wheel. So this is a centrally rotating motor. Generally, they are BLDCs, brushless DC motors. And then there is one charge controller attached to this motor, and then there is a battery. Typically, this battery ranges from 12 volt 20 ampere, which is the minimum requirement, and it can go as high as 60, or even some cases 180 ampere battery is also provided. Now these motors comes in the range of 25 to 50 watt onwards. At least this much power is required to drive any fellow sitting onto your two-wheeler. So you can imagine this to be as a bike or a cycle. And so let's assume it to be a cycle initially, and a person sitting on top of it, cycle with the pedaling. So um, the two-wheeler solar powered will have a roof. So this roof is basically maintained with the at least four panels, each of 50 watt, so that at least 200 watt power is generated. And then this roof also has to be aerodynamically sufficiently correct to navigate this thing. Now, this was basic idea of electric solar cycle. So even it can be two-wheeler also, just like your Activa, but in that case the weight of the vehicle itself is more, and then it could be a hybrid vehicle which has a electric plus petrol based system. So this is the main idea of this. Now comes the part of machine vision. So initially, there will be two level machine vision. So machine vision basically takes the images of, let's say there is a car in front of this cycle, and it takes the images that there is a probability that if we keep on moving, there could be accident and so on. So autonomous driving concept is integrated here. Now this information is fed to a controller, which is a Raspberry Pi like controller, which has a Linux board on board, and then Python code running onto it and doing the image analysis in real time. So what this assistive mechanism do is it will move the handle to the left or the right, and based on the decision, it will try to avoid the obstacles and go in the straight direction. So that is the main idea about this project. Unfortunately, the parts are not funded by any funding agency right now. At max, Raspberry Pi can be made available, but not more than anything. A PiCam and Raspberry Pi is available for this project. Two-wheelers we can take from any Bhangarwala, or cycles might be there which are there with you, or even I have my electric cycle which I can give for this project. But if you want to make any Activa like hybrid Activa like structure, so we will have to apply for funding first to get this project done. Typically this 50 watt solar panel cost you around 2000. So this is the cost estimation for the project. A Raspberry Pi with PiCam comes around 4500 roughly, with SD card, power supply, and everything. And then this brushless DC motor typically cost you around 6000, and along with the controller and everything, assembly could go up to 12,000. So this is the cost estimation for this project. And if it is a Activa or something like cost in that train, so a second hand Activa almost gone case can be around 4,000 rupees, and so on. So this is a rough cost estimate for this project, and it is a very novel project. And obviously making it's a electromechanical project plus computer programming is there, so it is very difficult to make project also. But once made, it will reach its heights, and maybe many project competitions one can win with this, and most of the cost can get recovered. or else there is funding proposals we can apply for. So that is another option. Currently, I have floated 6 semi-funded or fully funded projects and 5 non-funded projects. So this is one of those non-funded projects. So there is highly likely that I will not be a guide on this project because I would like to be working on the funded projects. I don't want students to spend from their pocket and do the work. And second thing is all those fundings, it's my liability. So I would prefer those projects which are funded fully and I wanted to complete. But still, I will support you in this project in all possible manners in completing this, even if I am not your co-guide or guide. But still, I will help you because it's my idea and I will definitely help you for this. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can contact me.